Hello, good morning to all. Can you hear me? Am I
Sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Very good morning, very good morning. Very good morning. A very good morning. Give me a second.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning to all. Okay, so yesterday I gave you some questions. Do you have any problem in that? Are you able to do that? You got the answer? Simeon, you got the answer?
Yes. Sir, sir,
Yeah,
yesterday homework questions were easy questions.
easy question. Yeah, Simeon, you're saying something. No,
I didn't say
you didn't get yesterday's answer, no?
I
You're
got it
asking me.
after that.
You got it? Ira, you got it?
Yes, I got it.
Jashran, what about you? So, what problem you had? Tell me.
It's just that I just get stuck in navigation, then I'll give up actually. An hour back then reading.
Okay, so we'll do one question then. Okay, quickly do it and find me the answer.
Cookie.
Yeah.
Sir, I like it when you say cookie.
Quickly. My God, it's too hot.
Because you live in Jodhpur.
Yeah.
Cookie. Cookie.
Quickly do it.
Cookie.
Not cookie.
Cookie.
Quickly.
Cookie.
Quickly. Yeah. Quickly, I see.
Cookie.
I got the answer. I'm sending it.
Yeah, send it to me.
Yeah, I also got the answer. I also got the answer.
I I guess it's not correct.
Sorry, I made a mistake. I was saying the wrong. I sent the wrong one.
Okay.
I sent it.
Yeah. No, it's correct.
I also sent it, sir. I mean 106.
Yes, I got the same answer.
Okay. Who else got different answer?
I got 106.
Okay. Okay, guys, do this question. How will you do this? How will you do this type of
Taking
question?
150 as AN.
Yes, 150 as a, and then
Then solving with the formula.
Okay.
yeah, and you have to find the value of n. So if n is
A
coming
and
in
B are-
negative or in fraction, then there won't be. If n is coming as a whole natural number, then it will be. Understood?
natural number, because whole number means zero. It's not come as
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, Abigail. See you after a long time.
Hi, Abigail.
Yes, sir. Long time.
Okay, so yeah, where till where you did? Did you did the sum wala formula?
We did till the sum of the AP.
Yeah. So can you do this question? Because we have like the sum of the AP is the last one. After that, we are just doing questions and questions. Because starting a new chapter in these 2 days, it's not worth it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so we are doing some questions. So can you do this question? How will you do this, Abigail?
So we'll take AN as minus 150.
Hmm.
N we don't know.
Hmm.
A is 11. And D is minus 3.
Yeah. So after that, you have to put it all the value and find the value of n. And if you're getting value of n as negative or as a fraction form, then it means that it won't be there. Understood, Betya? No. Betya has some doubt. Please ask me. Joshua. Josh? Josh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you have any doubt?
It's
Understood,
told.
sir.
Okay, quickly do it and tell me the answer. Quickly do it and tell me the answer.
Joshua. Sometimes his name is Joshua, sometimes his name is Joshua.
Sir, I sent the answer.
It's a got the answer, sir.
Sir, I sent the answer.
Yes, guys, done? Did you send me the answer?
Yeah, I sent it.
Okay, Jashan is saying is the 48 term. Edric is saying no, it's not a term. And it is not a term of AP. Okay, so everyone is getting different answer. So A is basically 11, Jashan. AN is equals to minus 150 and D is equals to 8 minus 11, which is minus 3. And N, I don't know. So what is the formula? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is equals to A. What is A? 11 plus n minus 1. I don't know. Into d is minus 3. So minus 3 will multiply with both the terms. So minus 150 is equals to 11 plus 3 minus 3n, and then it will become 150, 14 minus 3n. Now it will go and it will become divide. So minus 150 minus 14
Not
is
divide.
equals to,
Minus.
sorry, minus 3n. So it will become minus 164 upon minus 3 is equals to n. This minus and minus will cut, but they are not divisible. So it means that they are
Yeah.
getting in fraction form.
If you
They
divide
are
it,
not.
it becomes 54.9999.
Yeah. So they are not natural number. Understood, Jashram? Where you did mistake, beta?
54.999, 54.666.
Jashram? Where you did mistake? Tell me.
I thought 16 was 14.
How you got 13 and 14?
I thought right to around 44.
Which formula? Some formula. SUN
No, when
sum
I
wala.
tried to,
Say it again.
when I tried to do the division 164 by 3, I took it as 144 by 3.
Wow. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Did you understand, everyone? Joshua, Ira, Abigail? Ask me
Yes,
if you didn't understand.
understood.
Okay, we'll do then this question.
So,
Yeah.
can you do the third question in the terminal exercise?
Third question in the terminal exercise. Okay. Abigail, you got the topic for the presentation ceremony? Abigail,
Yeah, sir.
did you got the topic of the presentation ceremony?
No.
No. So you have, I guess, it's a topic. You have life process in which you have to discuss about circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system. Okay. So basically, on July 3rd, there is a presentation ceremony because June there is a holiday, na? So on July 3rd, there is a presentation ceremony in which you have to make slides, not more than 5 to 6 slides. You have 5 minutes to explain your presentation. Okay. And if you did good, then you will receive a prize. Okay. So it will be suspense only. Who got the delivery? They won the prize. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So it will be on July 3rd, Thursday.
So I have for the whole lesson in 5 minutes.
Not whole lesson, just these processes which I mentioned. Excretory system, circulatory system, digestive system, and so you have to prepare a slide and you have to discuss it about in 5 minutes.
Okay. I will just write it down if you can see it again.
It's in the group. Picture is in the group.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so now the fourth term of an AP, the fourth term of an AP means like A4 is equals to 3 times of its first term and 7 times of an AP. This is the first equation. And 7 term of an AP exceeds the twice of the third term by 1. This is the second. Did you understand, Abigail? Yes or no? What is the question saying? The fourth term of an AP, the fourth term A4 is means equals to 3 times. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, sir, I have bad network.
You are frozen for me also.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Basically, light went, and because of that, Wi-Fi router get off. So, okay, what is the question saying? The fourth term of an AP is equal to the 3 times of its first term. Now, what is the fourth term? The fourth term is basically A4. The fourth term of an AP is 3 times the first term, and the first term we denoted by A. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone. Hmm? And the second question is saying the seventh term is twice the third term by 1. The seventh term is twice the third term by 1. So what is seventh term? A7 is
A7
exceeds
is equal to 2
to
A3 plus 1.
plus 1. Did you understand? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now every time this it's a trick, okay? So like if A4 is there, so we know that A4 is there, then value of n will be 4 because fourth position A they are asking. So it means that it becomes A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So A4 is equals to A plus 3D. Did you understand? Abhi, did you understand? Yes or no?
Yeah, sir, I understand.
Pakka? Okay, so in the same way, so it becomes A plus 3D is equals to 3A. In the same way, it will also become like this. A plus 6D is equals to 2 into A plus 2D plus 1. Why? Because 7 minus 1, 6 and 3 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Did you understand? Abigail.
I'm just thinking, sir.
See, A7 is there. So instead of n, I will use 7. So 7 minus 1 will become 6D. So I wrote A plus 6D.
Okay.
Okay, and A3 likha hai. If A3 is there, then it becomes A plus 2D. Why? Because the value of n is 3. So it becomes 3 minus 1, which is 2. So it becomes A plus 2D.
Sir, how did it A plus 3D equal K again?
Because it's given that the fourth term of an AP. So fourth term is A4, na? A means equals to the third 3 times the first term. 3 multiplied by the first term, which is 3A. Understood? Guys, did you understand? No, if you didn't understand, I will explain it again.
Understood, sir.
Okay, now we have to solve it. So it becomes A plus 3D minus 3A is equals to 0. So minus 2A plus 3D is equals to 0. Okay, and if I will solve this also, so it become A plus 6D is equals to 2A plus 4D plus 1. So it will become A minus 2A plus 6D minus 4D minus 1 is equals to 0. It will become minus A minus 2D minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so if this is the first equation and this is the second equation, so by elimination I will solve it. So the equation is 2A plus 3D is equals to 0, and I have minus 2A, sorry, minus A minus 2D minus 1 is equals to 0. So I have to multiply this equation by 2. So it will become minus 2a minus 4d minus 2 is equals to 0 and minus 2a plus 3b plus 0 is equals to 0. Okay. Now I have to change the sign because I'm subtracting. So this will become minus and this will become minus. Okay. So this and this will cut. It will become minus 7d is equals to 2. Then yeah.
Sir, how
So
will it be plus 2?
see, here it is minus 2. When you will
Yeah.
solve it,
Wrong, sir. Wrong, sir. Completely
yeah,
wrong.
I did something wrong. 7 terms. The third term by 2. Twice the third term by 1. Here I did wrong. It will be plus 2b. This is the answer. See what I did? Like 4 minus 3d. So it become 1d. And minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2. I send minus 2 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 2. D is equals to 2. Understood? Abigail?
Uh, yes, sir, I understood, sir.
Everyone understood? Do you have any problem, guys? Guys, do you have any problem in this?
No, sir.
No?
So
If you, yeah.
I didn't get A7 equals 2 into A3 plus 1 become A plus 16.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Yeah,
So Joshua will. I'll need your help. Okay. So if A7 is there, so what is the value of n?
7.
Yes, good. So we have the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So if a7 is there, so instead of n, I will write 7 minus 1 into d. So a7 is equals to a plus 60. So I got 60 like this. Got it? No. Okay. Quickly do it.
Sir,
Yeah.
I also have a doubt in the fifth question in the terminal exercise,
Yeah.
and the eighth question,
Okay.
and the seventh question, and the ninth question.
Perfect. Quickly write it down.
Finish writing it down.
Okay. Done. Shall I use this?
Yes, sir. Please.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Betya, you're saying something.
I said 2 minutes. I'm still writing.
Quickly write it down.
Done.
Okay. Now I'm erasing this. Okay, this is the question. The angles of a triangle are in AP. If the smallest angle is the 1/3 of the largest angle, then find the angle of a triangle. So this is good question and it's easy also. Okay. So now it is given that they are in what? The angles are in AP form. So I know that if first term is A, the second term will be
A plus D.
A plus
good.
D and A plus 2D.
A plus D and A plus 2D. Okay, guys, did you understand how it become? Because we learn na that first term is like 5, the second term is 8, so it become 5 plus 3. That's why it become A plus D. So if first term is A, the second term is A plus 2D, second angle. Sorry, second angle is A plus D and the third angle is A plus 2D. Now we know that the sum of the angle is equals to
180 degrees.
very good. So it will become A plus D and A plus 2D is equals to 180 degree. Yes.
You can also say A minus D, A and A plus D.
So
A minus D, A plus D is better. Because then it will become 3A is equal to 180.
yeah, you can do that thing also. And you can do this thing also. No problem. So it becomes 3A plus 3D is equals to 180. Then A plus D is equals to 60. Do you know how it becomes 60? Okay, I'll do it. So 3
180
will
by
be the common. So it will become 180. Then A plus D is equals to 180 minus 180 divided by 3. So A plus D is equals to 60. So I got 60. Understood? Now it is given this equation we have to make. The angles of a triangles are in AP. If the smallest angle is the 1/3 of the largest angle. So the smallest angle is A and the largest angle is A plus 2D. So the smallest angle, which is A, is 1/3 of the largest angle, which is A plus 2D. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no?
So 3A is
Yes,
equal
sir,
to A plus
understood.
2D.
So this 3 will multiply, become 3A is equals to A plus 2D. Now it will go that side, it will become 2A minus 2D is equals to 0. Did you understand? Now this is
A
the
minus D. A minus D is equal to 0.
why A minus D.
Because 2, because you can cancel it, no?
Yeah. So now I will take out 2 as a common, so it become A minus D is equals to 0. This will go and divide. So A minus D is equals to 0 upon 2. So A minus D is equals to 0. So I got these two equations. A plus D is equals to 60 and A minus D is equals to 0. So if I will solve it, so I simply
Then
add
A
it.
is equal to this.
So 2A is equals to 60, A is equals to 30. I got A is equals to 30, D is equals to 30. So if I will do, then if the angles are, this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is 90 degree. This is the answer. Abigail, turn on the camera. Betty, turn on the camera. Did you understand, guys?
Sir, I have the internet problem, that's why. I understood, sir.
Okay. Write it down quickly.
So would you be send me over to the right side and make A?
This part? Yeah, but in the elimination, I want all the variable in the left side, no? When I'm doing elimination method, so I need every variable should be on the same side. Joshua, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Quickly do it. Abigail, what's your next doubt?
Um,
Seventh one.
question. Yeah, seventh question.
Done?
Not yet, sir.
Yes.
Wait for 2 minutes.
Okay. Done? Shall I is this?
Not yet, sir.
No,
Wait. Patience.
Quickly do it. Quickly.
Googly. Googly.
So Edric plays which sport? Edric? Which sports you like? Cricket, football, or badminton?
I mean, I like cricket, but I don't play much.
Why?
I don't know. I like it.
So you don't go outside to play with your friends?
Not much.
Okay, so what's your schedule? What you do whole day?
Sir, all these classes, so many classes I have to attend, sir.
Uh-huh. Sad life.
Yes, sir. A is 1 by 3 of A plus 2. Wait. A.
Okay, done. Shall I use this?
Yes.
Okay.
so can you go back 1 minute? I just
Okay,
take a screenshot.
just give me a second. Just
Yeah.
yeah.
Done, sir.
Okay, now the nth term of an AP is given as Tn is equals to A plus Bn. Now show that it is an AP and the first and find its first term and the common difference. Okay. So
So Tn is basically An.
yeah, basically Tn is equals to An. So Tn is basically an. Don't confuse in that. Okay.
How did you get Tn? Oh, okay.
So Tn is basically an. Okay. So now if I will take n is equals to 1. So n is equals to 1 is the basically first term. Na? So if I will put here, so Tn which is a 1, a plus b into 1. So T1 is equals to a plus b. So this is the first term. A plus b is the first term. So this is become a. Okay. Now if n is equals to 2, I will take, so it become T2 is equals to a plus b into 2. So T2 is equals to a plus 2b. This is the second term. And if they ask you to find a difference, we know that we have to subtract the second term minus first term. The second term is a plus 2b minus a plus b. So this minus I will multiply with both the signs. So it will become a plus 2b minus a minus b. So so minus a and minus a, and then it will come. So 2b minus b is equals to b. This is the difference. Understood? Basically, first I wrote the value of n as first, which is the a, which is the first term. Then I took the value of n as 2, second term. I subtract the second term with the first term to find the value of d, which is a common difference. So the common difference is this much. Understood, guys?
Sir, can you explain it from the first?
See, this is the equation is given, okay? So we know that the first term, like when n is equals to 1, the first term is called as the a. So what I did, I put the value of n as first. So I took value of n first. So the here one n is written. So instead of n, I wrote 1. So b into 1 is b. So this is the first term. T1 is equals to a plus b is the first term. Okay. Then I find the value of n as 2, which is T2. So a plus b2. So 2 into b is 2b. So it is the second term. Okay. Then I subtract the second term from the first term to get the value of d, which is b. Understood? I didn't understand.
I understood.
What you didn't understand?
No, I understood. But we just have to change the value of n and 1 for first term and 2 for the second term. And then
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
So here the thing, A1, I mean, A is equal to A plus B.
Yeah. A, which is first term, is equals to a plus b. Correct.
So B is the second term.
No, b is the difference. B for ball is the difference between the.
That's D. D for doll. That's D.
No, no, no.
D is
D is the difference. Like for example, if d is equals to 2, so 2 is the difference between second term and the first term, na? So here the difference between the second term and the first term is b. B for ball.
So first term is A and the difference is B.
Yeah.
And
the
then what
first
is
term,
B? What is B?
first term is not only a. First term is a plus b, and the difference is b. When you will add a plus b, so you will get a plus 2b, which is the second term. My God, you guys got confused. Okay, Simeon.
I thought the formula was the AN is equal to A plus D into N minus 1. So 1
Yeah.
minus 0. So that means it
But-
will be just A.
No. That zero term is not there. No, n is equals to 0. It means it's a whole number. It won't be possible. No? We have to take n is equals to 1. No? So here n is equals to 1 when you will put. So you
So
will
N
get
is 1,
a
it
plus.
becomes N minus 1. A plus D into N minus 1. A
So
plus
if,
N.
even if you will put n minus 1, you will get a minus b.
No, you get just A. You'll get A because N is
How?
1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means no B is there, only A is there.
No. You can't take value of n as a integer, as a whole number. You can take only a natural number.
Oh, 1. And N is 1. So A
Yeah.
plus 1 minus 1 into D. A plus
This is
N.
not a formula. This is an equation. Don't go according to the formula. This is just an equation that a Tn is equals to a plus bn. In this, first I took the value of n as first to get the value of, like, n is equals to 1 is a, na? So a is the first term. So this is the first term. This is the second term. I subtract the second term from the first term to get the value of difference, which is b. Got it, guys? No. Abigail.
Okay, so D.
I got it, sir.
Okay.
Still writing, sir. So D is B
Yeah, D is B.
and A is A plus B.
Yep, correct.
So D is the same thing as B.
Yeah.
I told you, sir, D is only B. D is
Okay, done.
no last end में.
Not done, sir.
Okay.
So what will it? The common difference is B, but the first term will be what?
First term is this one, a plus b.
Oh, okay.
So D and B are the same thing.
D is the difference, which is b for boy.
Oh,
D is the common difference, which is b, basically b for boy.
Sir, A is equal to A plus B.
Yeah, a is equals to a plus b.
A is equal to A plus B and D is equal to B.
Yeah. Like a is equals to a plus b, a2 is equals to a plus 2d, a, and then a2 minus a, when you will do, you will get common difference as a d. I mean b for boy. Oh my god, you guys so confusing.
B is B. So you can say doll is ball. Doll is ball. Rhyming words.
Got it.
Doll, ball. Doll,
Yeah.
ball. Rhyming words.
Yeah. Okay. So the common difference between the second term and the first term is B for ball.
D.
Okay. There is so DB, BD, VD, everything is done. We stop this maths class. I hope you enjoyed the class, Simeon and Abigail. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. And prepare for the test. If you have doubt, please ask me for the doubt. Okay. Till then, bye, Abigail. Bye, Simeon. And
nice, sir. Thank
we
you.
have 4 minutes break. Then we'll start our science class.
Sir, when is the test?
Friday.
Okay, sir.
Math test, quadratic equation.
It's on AP, right?
No.
he
Quadratic
test-
equation.
I don't
I
need
thought
that.
we did. I thought we did that on Friday.
Yeah, we did that, but nobody got good marks. That's why it's a retest. I put it
Okay.
in the group.
So should I do the old test also?
No. Then do the next new test.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Bye, Vigil. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
4 minutes will start our science class. Okay, guys, come back, come back. Come back, everyone, turn on camera. Okay. We'll do some more question on gravitation.
Like how you did so many questions on math AP.
Yeah.
B.
Okay, do this question, guys. Two bodies mass of A and B are 2 kg and 4 kg separated by 2 meters. Okay. Where should the body mass place so that the gravitation due to body is 0? We want gravitation of a body is 0. Or we can do one thing. We'll remove this part.
Which one to remove? Which part? Which part, sir?
Just give me a second.
No?
And now, this is the question. Krishna, quickly do it. Joshua, Betya, turn on your camera, please. Joshua, Betya. Okay, quickly do it this question.
Cookie.
Jahan, you know the formula, na?
F equal to GM1 M2 by R square.
Very good.
Capital G or
Ira?
small g?
Aaron, did you know?
Right.
Like, it is what formula? F equal to the one, F equal to G and then M by R? Or,
Yeah. No, no. F is equals to capital G into M1 into M2 upon R square.
R square,
yeah,
not
that one.
Quickly do it. Yes, it's on. Jashan, you're saying something.
Got the answer, sir.
Got the answer?
Yes.
Everyone got the answer?
No, sir.
R, not D. It's R.
Yeah. In some book, it is written by D also. No problem.
You're still in math class, or you're still in math. D.
Okay, we go minus 19, no? Minus 11.
11. Not minus. Or
This
you
is the
can,
answer.
or you can say
Okay.
1.334 into 10 to the power of minus 10 Newton.
Yeah. Yeah. Next, who's saying something?
So, look, like 6.67, that is fixed, like for all this thing.
Yeah. This is 6.67 to 10 to the power minus 11 is is the value of capital G, which is called as gravitational constant, and it is fixed for every question.
Small g also. Small g is fixed
Oh.
for every question. Small g.
Small g differs from planet to planets, but capital G will be same for every planet. If you will take it.
Small g on Earth is equal to 9.8 meter per second square.
Yeah.
Oh, so I took it as 9.8.
That is small.
Small g is 9.8, big G is 6.67 into 10
6.67.
minus 11.
Perfect.
Okay, wonderful.
Capital G is constant anywhere in the universe.
Yes, it's universal constant. Shall I resist?
Yes, please.
Jahuan, Joshua, did you got the answer? Okay. Joshua, are you there?
Yes,
Joshua and
sir.
Bethia, did you understand?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, now do this question.
G is 10.
Yes, Jashan.
So in the
Yeah.
V equal to U plus AT formula, what did A stand for again?
A is basically G, gravitational due to the that is fine.
So it's minus 10 meter per second, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because gravity is going towards downward, like it's pulling the object towards downward, and the object is going upward. That's why negative factor is also there. Take height as 20.
10 or 20. But let's give it 10.
20. Okay, I got U as this.
I got U as 20 and T as 2.
This is the answer. Yes, Ira. What mistake you did better?
So I used the wrong one to begin with.
Which
I
part
used
better?
I used the wrong formula to start.
Why?
So
Which
I
formula you
used
use?
V equal to U plus GT.
Hmm. So what is your finding? What's your finding?
I found T as 20 when it's 2.
So how you got DS20?
And I wrote
Hmm.
I wrote U as 10 when it was initial velocity.
So
So
how
that
you
I
got
did it.
US10? How you got US10?
No, I did a mistake.
Okay. Yeah, be careful. This is an important question, guys. Shall I raise this? Done? Joshua, Betya, guys, did you understand or not? Please ask me.
Yes, sir, understood.
Understood.
Okay. Shall I raise this?
Yes, please.
Okay, do this question. Jehovan, we will start your chapters after the breaks because there are only 2 days are there. Then what's the use of starting new chapter? It won't be that much fun. So that's why we'll
For
start.
2 days? That means for 2 days from both math and science, we have to do same chapter only. Questions on
Yeah, we'll do questions, more and more questions on gravitation and force and everything.
AP and quadratic equations.
Mhm.
U is 15. U.
Done?
Wait, I'm not yet, sir.
Okay, this is the question answer.
11.1 or 11.47?
11.47.
Right.
Okay, so did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So we'll stop our class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off again. Sayonara.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
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 So thank